Okay, so in this video, we're actually just going to be going over how to finally set up your first post. So we're inside our WordPress admin here that just when you log into WordPress and you go to Posts, Add New. Okay, we grab our keyword, which in this case is this one that we had. We put that there, that's our title. We grab our featured image, okay. We created this earlier. Oops, sorry about that. So you go to featured image, we go to find our image. Okay, so in this case the title is this. We grab that, put that there. We want to put it in alt text and description, okay? And actually, since we want to use our focus keyword, we're actually just going to be putting fashion designer, since that's what we want to put here. Remember, one is the title and one is the focus keyword. So there's our image. Okay, this is where our data would go. Our so post in content, post content, post content. Okay, and then you can even get some images here. So whatever you want at Pixabay. Let's try women's fashion. Okay, maybe this is a good one. And again, I'm not putting any together a coherent article here. I'm just showing you how to go about getting it. So once that comes in, we can go back to our thing here and we would just post the image in here. Same thing you did with the other image would go here. Fashion designer. Okay, and you could put some more images in here. I'd try to do at least a couple images if you can. And that's kind of how you go about setting up your first post. Now, this is Yoast SEO, which we're not primarily focusing on SEO. We're primarily focusing on Pinterest. That's the main traffic method. But it's important to try to optimize ourselves for Yoast. So we can put our page, our SEO title here to be our, let's see. Okay, so then we can make our slug fashion designer. And basically you just want to set it up like this until you're in the green, and your focus keyword should be the slug, and you want your focus keyword inside the SEO title too, so that's good. And this is where you actually put your focus keyword. Okay, so down here it's going to give you metrics of what you're actually doing. So the meta description contains the focus keyword, the green is good, orange needs improvement, and red is no good. So obviously I didn't fill out the whole thing, so it's telling me that I've only had 6 words when I need minimum 300. It's telling me the focus keyword doesn't appear in the first paragraph. No links, which obviously we were going to add some, and then the SEO title contains the focus keyword, but does not appear at the beginning. That's not terrible. You're not going to be able to get it perfect every time, but the goal is to try to get as many of them green as possible until you get a green up here. So right now we're orange, SEO okay, but when this says SEO good and this Y is green, that's good. And the readability, you usually always try to want to make that green. Once you fill in the post, it should be green. And that's how you go about setting up your first post. Hope that makes sense.